Free AI tools that will make you rich. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you some free AI tools that will make you money and will make you rich. So let's get into it. Now here I'm going to go ahead and search off these tools and explain their functionality via DeepSeek, Gemini, and even ChatGPT. I'm going to see what they recommend as some of the most common ones. These are one of the best ones out there when it comes to AI. They have their own specific functionalities. I'm going to ask them what they think is one of the best, free tools that anyone can use to generate some sort of revenue stream. So let's get into it. So here you can see, first up, we're going to take a look at DeepSeek and see what it recommends, and then we'll take a look at the other ones. So here we go. So as you can see, it's recommending me for content creation and writing. It's recommending ChatGPT and Claude and even Gemini as well. So ChatGPT is, of course, one of the most popular ones. It is an incredibly versatile tool for brainstorming ideas, drafting, blog posts, writing social media captions, and even creating outlines for an ebook course. Its free tier is very powerful. Claude as well. That's also a great alternative or a component to ChatGPT. Excellent for long-form content and detailed analysis. Gemini can integrate seamlessly with Google's ecosystem, so you can use it to draft emails, generate content ideas, which is pretty cool. So for content writing, it is ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini. Let's say what if you wanted to, image generation and video creation, right? What about that? So we got Leonardo AI. I've never actually heard about it. Let's see what it does. I'm going to search for it and see what we get over here. And it says that it's a fantastic free platform for generating high quality images, arts, and design elements. So you can use these for print on demand products and social media content, which is pretty cool. Canva is also pretty cool. It's not specifically an AI tool, but of course, it has AI, capabilities implemented within it. So Canva's free AI powered tools are incredibly powerful. You can generate images and write and edit videos and create professional looking marketing materials for yourself and client, which is pretty cool. And then of course we have CapCut AI as well, a powerful free tool for editing and creating short form content for platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Short, which is actually pretty cool. Which is pretty fair as well. I've actually used CapCut AI as well. I've usually used CapCut, but I haven't used CapCut AI. But over here is Leonardo AI, and then for audio we have 11 Labs. Of course, 11 Labs is one of the most popular ones. You probably heard some sort of AI dubbing, or those videos where those Reddit videos, right, where people are telling their Reddit stories, and there's like an surf or Minecraft gameplay going on in the background, or a Subway Surfer, and on the top you can hear the voiceovers and the subtitles. That's actually made by 11 Labs. A lot of people are using it. It has some free tier capabilities over here for its industry leading text to speech and voice cloning technology, which is pretty cool. And then we also have Murph AI as well, which is another excellent AI example for AI voice generator. It has a free plan as well and useful for creating realistic voiceovers, which is pretty cool. So we're definitely going to take a look at that. For business and workflow automation, like for websites and stuff like that, we have Wix and Notion. Notion is usually used for managing your tasks. It's actually a pretty powerful workspace where you can create pretty much anything you want. So you can create a timeline, you can create a budget or a income manager of sorts. You can create project manager. Pretty much it has pretty much all the capabilities that you would need, right? And Wix, of course, is a pretty cool website builder. Although I don't know if about Wix, it does have an AI tool implemented within, like the Wix ADI, which can you can use to create amazing AI websites. But AI websites are not actually good, so I would not recommend creating websites using AI. They're just not that great as of yet. Maybe give it another year or two. It should come back up. But as of right now, AI websites, don't do that. You can use templates as well. A lot of different websites have templates, so go for that. Wix has incredible templates. Although, because of Wix and a lot of elements are implemented in it, when compared to other websites, it's a bit slow. So I would just recommend go with any normal WordPress hosting websites like Bluehost or Hostinger and create a website from there. Don't go with Wix as of yet, because even with AI, it's just not worth it. Here's how you can turn free tools into income, right? So you have tools over here, the AI powered content creator. Use ChatGPT to brainstorm 30 video ideas and write short script. Create these videos using CapCut AI or InVideo. Post them consistently on Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts. As your followers grow, you can earn money through brand sponsorships and affiliate marketing, right? The print-on-demand entrepreneur. You can generate unique, eye-catching designs using Leonardo AI. Uploads these designs onto print-on-demand platforms like Redbubble or Shopify, although Printify and Printful are also pretty cool options. So when a customer orders a t-shirt or a mug from those designs, they're gonna, the platform's gonna handle the printing and the shipping and the creating a semi-passive income for you, which is pretty cool. And the niche freelancer. Let's say you're good with spreadsheets using Google Gemini to help you build complex financial trackers or, budget templates. You can then sell these templates as digital products on platforms like Gumroad or Etsy, which is pretty cool. Yeah, that's actually pretty cool. 11 Labs offers affordable voiceover service for indie creators, freelance websites like Fiverr or Upwork, which is pretty cool. You can create your own, voiceover service over here with 11 Labs, and then you have the solo business owner as well. Combine all these tools to create an automated business system. For instance, use ChatGPT to draft compelling email newsletters, use Canva to create accompanying visuals, then use a tool like Zapier, which has a free tier to automatically add new emails, subscribers to your newsletter, and list and schedule your social media posts. So that's how, DeepSeek says that you can get started with these tools. And let's take a look at Leonard AI, because I've never actually taken a look at it. This is how it looks like. I think the website is loading a little bit. So here we go. These are all the AI images over here, which is pretty cool. Maybe I can go ahead and click on start now and see how it looks like. And just for the record, this is what Gemini said as well. So it's telling me to go for an autonomous agent, the heavy lifter, like OpenClaw and N8 open source agent frameworks you can create your own automation platforms. And we can use Gemini and ChatGPT for the free chat interface as your personal coding assistant. We can use a high fidelity visuals like the creative monetizers. If you have an eye for aesthetic compositions and photography, we can use Nano Banana and Canva Magic Studio. And then we have deep research and premium content. We can use Notebook LM and Perplexity. We can use these tools for, to ingest massive amounts of data, research, and complex topics. And then we have the monetization angle. So don't sell the raw AI output, sell the synthesis. You use AI to do 80% of the heavy lifting and research, then inject your own critical human perspective, which is pretty cool. Yeah, that's how Gemini says. And then for ChatGPT, it says that we can make money by selling services, right? So content per social media. ChatGPT, very similar to what DeepSeek was telling me. So writing scripts and copying emails and stuff like that for ChatGPT. Canva to make flyers, carousel, and the creatives. CapCut for editing TikTok and caption. Remove.bg, which is free to remove any background images for products. And then we can how to monetize. So we can then charge businesses monthly for content packages, stuff like that. So that's what it says. And it's giving me a couple of more different options as well. But to be honest, I really like how DeepSeek told me, which is why I pretty much personally prefer DeepSeek over the other ones. It's just a little bit better in my opinion. But yeah, here is Leonard AI. So we can see these are all the images that were generated by Leonard AI. So there's a sheep right here. This is, I have no idea what this is. An artful hand painted. Oh, this is actually pretty cool as well. A realistic handheld mirror selfie of the same woman. So AIs on this one is actually pretty cool. So I understand why I'd recommend it. So we can generate images, videos, blueprints, flow states, and all those stuff as well. We can even upscale videos as well. So yeah, I think we can definitely work with this. So yeah, these are some of the free AI tools that you can use to make money and, use pretty much, they're all free. Yeah. Although 11 Labs, if you go with the TikTok route, if you wanted to do like those videos, 11 Labs, I would recommend go with the premium plan because the free plan doesn't have that. It's a little bit, restricted in my opinion. But yeah, these were some of the AI tools that you can use to make money. So thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. And until next time, take care and goodbye.